Alright, so you guys know why we're here. Let's go ahead and hop straight into this wash and retwist because it's still like kind of early in the day. I just woke up not too long ago, but I'm ready to get this rolling. So first what we're going to do is go in with our apple cider vinegar. This is our conditioning and clarifying ACV rinse by the brand Free the Roots, okay? Free the Roots, and I do actually have a code for them now, you guys. I did a complete wash day video on them a couple weeks ago. So what we're going to do is we're just going to spray this on our locks and our roots and let this sit for probably about 20 minutes. Honestly, this is just like a pre-poo. I talk a lot about using apple cider vinegar before you wash your hair. You can even use it after, but it is really, really good to help clarify and cleanse your scalp and your locks. All right, y'all. So let's get this apple cider vinegar started. I kind of don't want to spray it on my plant. So I just set my timer for 20 minutes, so we're just gonna let this sit. I don't got no plastic cap to cover it with. I could go downstairs and get a bag, but I don't want to. So we're just gonna let it sit. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use to wash real quick. This is my Cool Lemon Bar from Free the Roots as well. This stuff smells amazing and it really did a good job at clarifying. And then next, I have not used this since my loose natural hair. Conditioner use. We all know it's very taboo in the Loc community, but it's all about learning or knowing your hair. This is the TGIN, Thank God It's Natural. This is a miracle repair strengthening conditioner with black honey and coconut oil. Restorative conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. The apple cider vinegar keeps dripping. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fill this up with water so I can dilute the conditioner, and we're gonna use this. And I feel like this is gonna make me just feel so good and soft. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be using today. So I'm out of the shower. It looks like it's about to storm, so I'm sure the lighting has changed. So my hair smells delicious, but let me show you guys. For the most part, I already separated everything in the shower just because I knew it was going to be easier with my hair being extra drenched. So I won't have to do much separating. I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my whole head, and I'm going to be using this hydrating mist. This is Lemon and Herb by Free the Roots as well. Now this is an aloe juice base moisturizer, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of jojoba oil on my whole entire head. But then what we're going to use to retwist, since this is like one of the thickest oils, is this Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm not going to use a whole lot. I don't want it to be sticky because this oil can be sticky, which can attract lint and cause buildup. So you don't want to use a whole lot, but that's what we're going to be using. So let's just go ahead and mist our hair. and we'll come back and see what's going on, okay? Alright you guys, so it is the complete next day. I'm talking about 24 hours almost since I finished. 24 hours since I definitely started my hair, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure everything was completely dry because, you know, I don't use any clips. So I did do a lot of blow drying, but as far as separating, you know, taking them out the ponytail while blow drying, I did make sure that I did that as well. But you guys, this is a final look. You know, little oils and water retwist. Yesterday, you know, when I was just glancing around, just looking at it, I'm like, yeah, I don't know if I'm feeling this at all because, guys, going 4 months without a retwist is a long time. You definitely get used to how you look. So I just was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be liking this, but today I'm like, okay, I look kind of good. I look kind of good. All right. So this just goes to show that your retwist does not have to be perfect. You do not have to be, you know, in the mirror fixing parts and making this process a long process. Now, if that's the way that you do your locks and you like that level of professionalism, that is absolutely amazing and more power to you. But for me, baby, I don't need no mirror, no combs, no clips. Don't give me none of that, okay? Don't give me none of that. It is what it is. I'll let them tell me what they run the show. And I'm just here to execute. I don't do a perfect retwist, but I do a retwist, baby, okay? It don't need to be perfect to be worth it. Look at me cheesing. Okay, I look a little good. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for the next video.